Spyderco knives, usually not very expensive knives, but once in a while you get a vintage gem. This right here from $500 to $1,500 knife, depends of the like quality and what do you call it, how old it is. I forgot how to open it. Oh, there you go. So yeah, that's pretty complicated. There you go. This is not a knife for everybody, for sure. You press it like that and close it. Okay, let's start over. This right here, $400 to $1,500. People sell them. There you go. It opens like that. Just like a utility knife, 2 inches, maybe less, maybe one inch. So to close it, there's a little trigger. You see, it releases the mechanism to where you can fold it. Boom, safety. Safety off. You hold it this way. Boom, falls out or flies open, kind of like assisted, but it's like bifold because it folds like a butterfly, I guess, sideways. Super unique, don't you guys think? It's so smooth. Obviously put it on safety whenever you're not using it. Lock it. And there you go. It's made in USA. Tells you the state, Colorado. Very nice. So makes it even better, I guess. Spyderco 440C. Beautiful, very unique knife. I love that mechanism, locking mechanism. It's pretty satisfying to open and close. Every time I use it, I forget how to do it. First time I was using it, I totally couldn't figure it out how to open it. I had to look it up. It is a very unique, fun little knife.